That's a good start to the...
Maybe.
Go on. Yeah, give it gas.
Alright, so we're packed up and we're ready. We've got all the stuff in the car and then we're going to grab the train to Manchester Airport and then we're going to be going to Switzerland.
Via Munich.
Via Munich, yeah.
If I can realize certain things in my work, I come the closest to being happy, and I can say that also about my life. But it only happens, I think, in moments. Sometimes when I'm working, and I'll be able to fulfill a scene truthfully.
And by the way, the city rises early as the day breaks. I'll trace my hands across the skyline. What killing time, what killing time. I take a look down. I'm feeling dizzy, but my feet don't touch the ground. But up here I can see everything, hey, 'cause I can see everything. Stars bleed through. You've seen it all before.
So we have just arrived in Munich and we are on our way now to the bus so we can get into the city centre and then on our way to St. Gallen, and I think we're going to have a German beer as well. While we're here, what do you think, Jan?
When in Rome.
In the city. In the city.
Right, we've arrived in Munich and we had 1 whole hour to spare between our bus into Munich to our bus and our bus to St. Gallen. So we've decided to have a small little break.
Just a small drink.
Small little drink. And yeah,
But
obviously,
when in Rome.
when in Rome,
When in Rome.
there is no such thing as small drinks.
So of course we found a little place opposite the bus station.
This is opposite the bus station. And look at what's going on opposite the bus station. Yeah, so it's huge. It's actually, the beer is really good. And yeah, we're gonna try and get through it in the next hour. So
Pause.
Sun keeps shining, but the stars bleed through. You've seen it all before, but today is something new in the city. In the city.
So we were on the bus from Munich to St. Gallen for about 3 hours now. And we've literally just arrived now in St. Gallen. And I have to say that there is just taxis in the city. It's kind of weird. See? They're watching us. Yeah, we're the only tourists, and we're the only tourists, I guess, that decided to walk. We're very tired. We're almost there.
almost at the
Are you ready
Yeah.
to get to the last stretch in? We're 2 more minutes away from the hotel and then we're gonna crash.
Right, we're awake, we're alive. It's our first day first actual day in St. Gallen. We just got out of our hotel behind us. Yeah,
there we go.
There we go. And we're gonna head into the city and see what this whole festival is about.
So we are sat in the centre of St. Gallen now, and we have just gone from, what's it called, like the artist centre, and we've got
our passes, got our beers. We're all ready to
well, yes.
Well, kind of.
But for now, we're just gonna sit here and chill.
And everybody's really nice. Everybody's really nice here. And it's actually crazy that it's so quiet in the city. And I'm just thinking that
so peaceful.
In about an hour, there's going to be about 30 bands playing around here. And it's going to be completely different.
It's going to be a big party. Yeah, it's going to be really cool.
Yeah. Hold on my pride, dreading, but I'm uneasy, so taking it in, I must confess.
Now we're going to take you into the secret lair of where we put our stuff. You ready?
It looks like we're in space. Check it out. Come look at it.
So glad you made it, but I was there for you. You showed yourself, but I can't understand. Promises are made, but I guess they were broken. When I found out it was good in the end, I was foolish. I was foolish. I was foolish. I was foolish. 1, 2, 3 little words, that's all it takes. Can't you see how easy it is? But I must confess, did you notice? So tell me, tell me, tell me. So glad you made it, but I was there for you. You showed yourself, but I can't.
So as you can see, I'm here. It is raining. Like hell. The storm has broken out in St. Gallen. But we've just finished our first show. And it was so good. It was so, so good. And here is Jan.
Why is it always raining?
Even when we went to Cyprus recently.
Cyprus, in May, it just started raining. In the middle. It's 30 degrees and it rained. I think we just like bring bad luck.
Whee! How was your first experience?
It was really good. We were worried at first that the people will not bother coming out in the rain, but actually we had quite a nice little crowd gathered over there under the roof. And yeah, it was pretty cool. So we're looking forward to the next few ones. Yeah, we'll see. Hopefully it will stop raining at some point and everybody can chill. But so far so good. It's like a verse. An altar. We are about to do our last set for tonight. It's been raining the whole day, but it's 9:30 now and it's stopped. And there's people gathering to see what we're going to be doing. We're going to start in about 5 minutes and then we're going to head off to the hotel and just chill out because it's been a really long day, but a really fun day as well. And yeah, we've had a really cool experience so far. So we'll keep you posted. We're done for tonight. We have finished playing. We've done 3 45-minute sets and they were awesome. We had so much fun. It stopped raining, so we are off to see other bands play and drink beer. So it's gonna be an awesome night. I believe that this is nice, this camera. Right.
today there's something new to see. Oh, we're living in a city, yeah. And oh, when the sun keeps shining, the stars we through. Seen it all before, but today there's something new to see. Oh, we're living in a city.
Right, it's our second day in St. Gallen today, and it's actually been so mad that we've not had a chance to stop and even talk to this camera. There's a beautiful day, it's a beautiful day. There's a ton of people just walking around the city. I don't know if you can see actually anything, but it's filled with people and it's really cool. We're just about to do our third set for today, and then we're going to do one more in the night as well. So yeah, we're going to see how it goes.
Oh, we're living in a city, and the sun keeps shining, the stars we through. Seen it all before, but today there's something new to see. Oh, we're living in a city.
So, we are here in the last spot, in our last show in St. Gallen, and it's gone so fast. We've absolutely loved every single minute of it, and we've met some really awesome people. We've played to a lot of cool people as well, and yeah, it's just been a really good experience. Now it's raining, but people are still in good spirits, so it's all good. What do you think, Jan?
Yeah,
Oh.
people are happy, we're happy. It's been amazing.
Yeah, so we're getting set up now, as you can see.
Go out with a bang.
I'm gonna go out with a bang.
I want you to know I'm a rainbow to the rescue. Here I am, but I want you to know, babe. Hey, just hear where I stand. Here to the rescue. Here I am for you. I want you to know, babe. Just hear where I stand.